back to my new video. Today my mom is here. Say hi.
Hi.
So yeah, today we're gonna try and kind of like teach you how to do carrot oil. It's good for, like, you can use it for your hair, for your face, for your body.
Yeah.
Or you can also use it, I think, for cooking. Yeah,
we're actually going to use it for our skin, for my skin or for her own skin.
Yeah.
To brighten her skin, not to bleach, but to brighten her skin. And for me also,
yeah,
I'm going to be mixing it with cream because I heard it brightens this. I mean,
make it like lighter.
It can lighten my skin, and I don't want my skin. I like my dark skin, so I'm going to be mixing it with cream. So we have been seeing it in YouTube, and then we just want to try it out and see how it works, and that's it.
Yeah. If you don't want to have any dry skin again, then keep on watching.
Yeah, to start, we have already washed the carrots.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have peel it off
my mom
the
did
back and then wash it, so it's clean, and then the plate is clean. Everything has to be clean. So now Shauna is going to grate it.
Yeah.
You can use it so, or you can use it so.
Wait.
Whichever way you choose is okay. Which one is easier for you?
Like this.
Are you using your left hand or you use your right hand?
It's true.
So, yeah, I think it's not fixed too well, but let me fix it.
Yeah. Okay, I think it's okay like that.
Yeah, so you hold it and then.
Okay, let's start.
To be washed, and then we have to grate it.
I'm not so good in that.
So.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's going in here.
Yeah. So guys, this is how it's looking like now. So I'm going to be putting it in the microwave or oven to dry with a low heat, just to let it dry.
Yeah, very low.
Yeah, to let it dry off. Then we'll be mixing it with coconut oil. So
yeah.
We're about to put it. Yeah, we're about to put it in the oven now, and then we'll see you guys when it dry.
Yeah. So see you when it's dry.
So guys, this is how it's looking like after we put it in the oven.
Yeah.
So
it's kind of crunchy and not crunchy.
Yeah. So this stayed in the oven for like 45 minutes.
44, I think.
Yeah, so we're going to be putting it inside this glass cup.
Yeah.
And then mix it with coconut oil.
You can like pour it inside. Yeah. Let me show them.
Yeah.
So we took this coconut oil. Yeah, if you also have this hard one, you can also put it in a pot and melt it. Yeah, so that's what we did too. I just put it in this container. So let me pour everything, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So guys,
this is it.
I love the smell from coconut.
For the coconut oil.
Can I stir it?
Yeah, I can make it.
And now we need to stir it. And don't worry, guys. No, wait. I'm gonna tell you. Just wait.
So I get the cup. The cover.
You can already see it's getting kind of like orange. Don't know if you can see it.
Yeah.
Already.
So we're going to be covering it. Yeah.
There's a hole.
Yeah, no problem. So I'm going to be covering it and leaving it till tomorrow.
Yeah, 24 hours.
So 24 hours. Then
That'll
we'll
be
show you guys how it looks like, and then we're ready to use it.
Yeah.
I hope it works.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
That'd be really cool.
Yeah. So it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's
So
really already changing color.
Yeah. So wait, I didn't stare it down well. Okay, I think that's okay. Right.
That's okay. So I'm going to be covering it, and then we're leaving it like this for 24 hours.
Yeah. So let me bring it because it's not focusing.
It's not focusing. Oh yeah.
So guys, we're gonna leave this for 24 hours now in a cool place and a dark place. And yeah, so we see us tomorrow, right?
Yeah, after 24 hours.
Yeah, so see you tomorrow. So guys, so today is another day. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so we're just gonna go on.
Yeah, so guys, this is how it's looking like.
Like
what the one we saw in YouTube wasn't like this. It was like more of liquid, but this one.
But by one, it was also like this, but she didn't show. She just melted it.
Yeah,
so we're gonna also melt it.
So this is 24 hours. This is how it's looking like.
Yeah.
So we're going to melt it now and then show you guys how it looks like, and then we'll apply it.
Okay, so
to our body. So let's mix it.
Yeah.
Or let's melt it. Sorry.
Yeah, let's melt it.
Okay. Melt. Let's melt it.
So yeah, we see us when we have melted it.
Smells nice.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So show it. This is how it looks like now. So it's a little bit hot here.
Yeah. We just heat it up a little bit. So now we have to.
I love this.
Sip it. Yeah. Look at the color. It looks nice. And it smells really nice. Hold on, I can spoon.
Yeah. Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Then I can. Can you see?
I need to hold the camera.
Hey, wait, Mom! Okay, then I'll hold it. So guys, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just pressing it down so all the oil will come out from the carrot. And it smells so good.
Yeah.
So if you do this, if you make this, it'll have a great scent on your body. You scent like coconut. Okay. Let me put it like thing. So now I'm gonna sip it again. Very careful. Oh. Okay. I spilled a little bit. It's okay. Yeah.
So we're just going to put it in the bottle.
Yeah, let me bring the bottle. So guys, so now we've put it in this little bowl. In this little bowl, or what it's called, I don't know. So we're gonna try this now. It's very warm. I know.
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay.
For Shauna, she's going to be using it direct in her face. It's natural carrot and coconut oil, so it's all is natural. There's no chemical on it, so she's going to be applying it direct in her skin. For me, and this will brighten her skin up. For me, I'm going to be mixing it with my cream, and then this way glow my skin. So I'm looking for something that will glow my skin. So yeah. So let's just try it, test it, and see how it looks like.
You can, so you just
take a little bit and put it in your skin, and then it helps for dry skin.
I have dry skin.
So
I have dry skin.
We just try it for 1 week, and then we'll tell you guys how it looks like, whether it's really works. Oh, this feels so good. Oh my god.
I tried
I'm loving
it.
it and it smells so nice.
Yeah, like coconut.
Oh my god.
I need out some more. Wow.
But for what we heard, it will make your skin glow for bright skin or for dark skin, and then if you have any spot in your body, it will just clear it off. So we
And
don't
not
know.
God Max.
We don't know yet.
Yeah, that's what we heard.
Well, we'll try.
I'm putting it in my face too.
We're just trying it. I don't know. We'll let you guys see how it, whether it really works. So this is my face. No, I have really dry skin.
Me too, guys.
So
I know you don't believe it, but
so
yeah, guys, this really worked, I think. Well, I don't know if it's working, but it feels good and nice on the skin. Yeah, so I think we recommend them to also do it, right, Mom?
yeah, we'll try it and see if it feels really good.
Yeah.
Then we'll recommend it to them.
Yeah, so yeah, it's good. I think it's feeling so good,
Yeah,
Mom.
it feels so good in the skin. And I can see my skin is already glowing. Look at that. Look at my face. Face glowing. You guys excuse my nose.
You already said that yesterday.
Yeah. I need to do it. So
Okay, so yeah, guys, this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed, then give it a big thumbs up.
Yeah, so a big thumbs up.
Subscribe to my channel, it's free, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Ding ding! Then you'll be always notified when I get a new video. With my mom, of course. So yeah, and then we see you in my next video. So see you next time, guys. I love you so much. My mom too.
Yeah, bye guys.
Bye. Love you so much.